everyone, welcome back to my channel. As in the previous lecture video, we have discussed that what are portfolio websites and how are they used in our HTML. And in today's lecture video, we will discuss that how to host your website for free at github.com, and everyone can see your website and visit your website, that you can send it to your family, friends and impress them. So today's lecture is very interesting and very super fun. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, we will discuss that how we can host our website for free at github.com, and that how can we how can we use our HTML portfolio files in this website, in this particular website. So every person or every IT person needs a website for his work. For example, there is my website, like for example www.itstuff.com. Here is, for example, a website. So within the website there are multiple web pages and multiple about us and contact us page. And in today's lecture we will discuss that how we can host our website at github.com, and how can we copy paste the portfolio files in that github.com. So now I will go in the google.com, and here at google.com I will simply write that GitHub. Here is the software company GitHub. Okay, so I will click on it, and first of all you will sign up at github.com. Okay, I will just randomly write my email, my password, and my user number. Here is your country, and receive occasional product updates, and then you have to continue. So I will just simply okay it, then we will meet at you. After that, you have to verify your account by solving this puzzle. So I will solve this puzzle. After when you sign in, so here is the dashboard of the github.com, and when you scroll up here, here is a video you have to watch. You have to must watch this video, like for beginners it's very important. And after that we will just scroll down. Okay, here is the main caploid of it, but we don't need it, so we will just scroll down. Okay, here on the plus arrow, we will create our new repository. When you go here, you will write your website name, like Sad. Like for example, my website name is Sad65 slash design. It's my website name. And when we scroll on here, so I will automatically, the public mode is on. If you are not on, so you will click on the public mode to anyone to see it on your internet, like anyone on the internet can see this repository. You choose who can comment. Okay, when you scroll down here, so here the description is optional, you can write or you cannot write. Okay, so here at the create repository, we'll click on it, and when we click on it, it takes 2 to 3 minutes to be holding. Okay, we will go down here. Okay, so here is the dashboard of our website, that SAD65 design. It's public, and we will copy paste the uploading an existing file. Here we will upload an existing file of the, okay, we will go it here. Okay, here's our portfolio project file, and we will just simply all of these open, and it's uploading the file. It's take 2 or 3 minutes to upload it. Okay, it had been uploaded, so now here, like here, we have to write the description, a small one description. So here we'll write that information about my website, and here you have to, you can write here also, but I will write that my name is Sad. Okay, my name is Sad and I am a content creator creator and will serve with my skills. So here you can write also this and commit changes. Okay, so here now files are processing. It takes a lot of time, not lot of, but takes a time. Okay, so here are the files, that the goal and the index and the solution.html. So we will like simply press on it, and here is our file. And when we press on the second one, here is our another file. And when we press on the third one, here is our another file. So you can see that here are the files that we have made in our index.html portfolio solution. Okay, so here it was today's lecture that we have done, that how to build your website and how to host it on the github.com. Our website is built, but the main issue is that it's missing something. What is it missing? A design, a proper, complete, and a beautiful website. And we will learn in the CSS mode and in the CSS language. I hope you have learned something new. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And in the another video, we will discuss about CSS, and we will start our first lecture video of our CSS language. So till then, I'll meet you in another lesson.